G'day, I'm Tommy from Bushman. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the wire shelves in your 2026 and onwards HD series DC-L upright Bushman fridge. For this job you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and just a small flat screwdriver. First thing you'll want to do is locate the shelf that you want to move. Get your little flat screwdriver, and in here there's a little soft plastic grommet, and you can give that a flick and that will come out. And lucky for me, it's fallen into the crisper, so I know exactly where it'll be. Then get the Phillips head screwdriver, and in here is a Phillips head screw. We'll take that out. Once we've got it out, then we'll be able to move this little plastic bracket out of the way. Once you've got that little screw out, the clip will just lift off. You can slide your wire shelf out, put it to the side, and then locate the channel where you want to put your shelf. You'll find at the front of the channel there's a little white plastic cap. You can flick that off. Underneath there will be another Phillips head screw, and we take that out. Once you've got that little white plastic cap and screw out, leave them together and just put them back into the hole from the channel where you took the shelf out to start with. I just do that up finger tight and then put the white plastic cap back over the Phillips head screw so it looks nice and tidy. Last thing we want to do is move the shelf into the new channel where we want it positioned. Get that little white plastic bracket and sit in there. Then get your Phillips head screw and screw that back into place. Once you've got the bracket in place, do that Phillips head screw up finger tight. You don't want to over tighten it or you will strip the thread. And then put the little soft plastic grommet back in the hole to cover it up, and job's done. Hope you found that video helpful. If you have any queries, please give us a call or send us an email. We're happy to talk anytime.